But I firmly believe sending folks off better than I found them. Clearly, you found us because something interests you. And because we are the AI system that's replacing real estate CRMs, what we have found is most folks find us because they're in real estate and they're a little bit interested in AI, artificial intelligence. So I say, hey, I have a bunch of AI resources that are specific to real estate. Here you go. Here's direct access. And I'm actually giving them some of our lead magnets. Now, what's really interesting about this is I am sending them off better than I found them by giving them some additional resources. But these resources, because they're lead magnets, they exist on a website and they could trade just like any other lead magnet, their resource or their details for those resources. These lead magnets actually drive back towards a free trial. So their account is getting deleted. I'm giving them resources, but I'm closing the loop so that in the future, maybe they do sit down and they read these resources, and then maybe they end up learning just enough about AI that they get redrawn back towards Sam. Boom. Now we can have them as an engaged lead again. Maybe they'll take a new trial. Maybe that time they will end up taking a challenge. Maybe they see that offer, the fast action offer, and they jump on it because now it's the right offer for them. And we built this in so that we can send them off better. It's a concept called reciprocity. And it's kind of like when someone gives you a free water bottle right before they sell you a large package of supplements, right? But in doing so, we've given them something free. I've sent them off better than I can find them. I've given them all of my best stuff, our best workflow secrets, if you will. And we've not found a way to get them as customers yet. And so I've just kind of moved on. And from there, that's the end of the trial experience for me. So at that point, something happens on the back end. And this is kind of unbeknownst to them, but what I do to close out the routine is I send a message, and this message does not go to them. It actually goes to our team. And I actually have a safety net built in that is email 16 comes one day after. So I say, hey, account delete day is today on email 15. Day 16, I send them this lead magnet package that's, hey, your account's getting deleted. I'd like to send you off better than I found you. But then I build in a safety net that's actually 5 days. You only get to know this because we're spending time together. This is not something that I share during the trial experience. But I do that because what Mark is about to do cannot be reversed. And once it's done, it's done. And what I don't want to happen is them to go back to email 14 and take the kitchen sink offer or take this last chance offer, but we've already deleted their account. That's kind of a bum deal, right? So this is just kind of a last chance safety net. But this specific message goes to our team, Mark and I, and it's a message that says, hey, name and email, was not interested in Sam, and you can go ahead and delete this account. This message gets sent via email. And then it also pings us on our Slack. Now, Slack is a secondary software company, and it's kind of like Facebook Messenger. It's often used for internal comms, but it is a company we integrate with. So we send it to Slack. It's a quick note that allows us to understand. And then it also sends an email to our business email accounts. That way we can keep record of it and we can add it to our account delete list. So that is the trial experience.